Hello everyone, let us explore the steps to configure the privacy settings of your Facebook posts to ensure that they are only visible to you. If you wish to make all your posts private and accessible only to yourself, kindly follow these instructions. Begin by tapping on the menu icon. Scroll down and locate the Settings and Privacy option. Expand the Settings and Privacy menu and tap on Settings. Scroll down to the Your Activity section and tap on Activity Log. Select Public Posts to access the relevant settings. Uncheck the Public option to restrict the visibility of your posts, photos, and videos. To select all posts, simply tap on the All button. Once all posts are selected, tap on the three dots at the bottom of the screen. Choose Change Audience and then select Only Me as the desired audience. Finally, confirm the changes by tapping on Change. By following these steps, you can successfully set all your Facebook posts to private, ensuring that they are only visible to you. Thank you for your attention.